In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on your Whop profile. This is really useful if you've rebranded, want your full name to show, or just need to fix a typo. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen as we go. First, open your browser and go to your Whop home dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the account whose profile name you want to change. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to do that now so you can access your personal dashboard. Once you're in, you should see your main Whop homepage with your products, memberships, or communities. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It might be your avatar, your initials, or a small user icon. Click on that profile icon. This is where Whop hides all of your account-related options, including your settings. When you click the profile icon, a small menu will appear. In that menu, look for a gear icon, which usually represents settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This will take you into your account settings area where you can manage things like your profile information and preferences. Once the settings page opens, you'll see a section with your general account details. Find the field that shows your current name. This is the name that appears on your Whop profile. Click directly into that name field. As soon as you click it, the text should become editable, allowing you to change it. Now, type in the new name you want to use on your Whop profile. Take a second to double check your spelling and capitalization. Think about how you want this to appear to others, whether you want a first name only, a full name, or a brand name. When you're happy with how it looks, leave the new name in that field. Finally, look for the button that says Save Changes on the page. This is usually located near the bottom of the settings section. Click on Save Changes to confirm and update your profile name. After a brief moment, your new name should be saved and visible on your Whop profile across the platform. And that's it.